Welcome back to Further Solution Academy. See this problem, we want to work on it. Let's see how it will go. Determine the matrix of the bilinear form relative to the standard basis of the what? Of the appropriate vector space. Now, what you just need to do, let this come to your mind. Since it's a word of standard basis, it means by how E1 equals to 1 is 0, 0, E2 equals to 0, 1 is 0, and my E3 will be equals to 0, 0, 1. Take note of that. Now, for you to have x1, y1 here, now x1, y1, what will come to your mind is that we are not this, the matrix we are to form, it will be what? My A will be equals to A1, 1, A1, 2, A1, 3, A2, 1, A2, 2, A2, 3, A3, 1, A3, 2, and A3, 3. That is what will come to your mind. Take note of that. Very, very important. Now, since you know this in your mind, how do I achieve this? The first one is talking about y1, I mean x1, y1. It means at this junction we're talking about x1, y1, I mean s1, s2, s3. Also is a y1, I mean it's also, it means I'm talking about the same part. It means my x1, my x, we are talking about y1, y2, y3, because 1, 1 is on it. If it is 1, 2, it means this and this. If it is 1, 3, for instance, this one now, 1 and this. Take note of that. Take note of that. It means, what I'm trying to say is that my u, okay, my x will be equals to x1, which is going to be what? Is 0, 1 is 0, which is going to be what? x1, s2, s3. My y1 will be equals to 1 is 0 is 0, y1, y2, y3. Take note of that. Now, let's now do the function. And the function of a1, 1 will be equals to 1, 1. It means 1 multiplied by 1. It will be 1 plus minus, I'm talking about 3 multiplied by a1, s1, 1, and y3 to be 0. Now, plus 2 bracket of s2 and s2, that is 0. And minus, we have 5. 5 multiplied by s2 is 0, and y, that will be 0 anyway. I don't need to stress myself. Plus what? This, it will be 4 multiplied by, now 4 multiplied by, we have 3 is 0, and what? I need to stretch number 1, which is going to be 0. Now this one is 1 and 1, it will be 2 here. Now it means my a11 it will be equals to 2. Everything becomes 0. Now at the point of my a2, sorry, is 0 and 1. Now the next one is going to be what? A12. Now my A12, it means I'm talking about my A12 will be equals to, at this junction, just let this come to your mind. 1, 2. It means I'm talking about 1 is 0 is 0, and x1, s2, s3. Now y. Now this one will now be what? 2. 2 is this, which will be what? 0, 1, 0. y1, y2, y3. Take note of what I'm just telling you. This is going to be what? A2. That is your A2. Now on my A2, we have the function of 2 bracket of x1, y1. It will be 1, that will be 0, minus 3 bracket of x1, y3. It will be 0. y3 is always 0. This is y3 is 0. And plus, the next one is 2 bracket of s2 is 0 is for x2. I don't need to stress my minus 5 bracket of y2, I mean s2 y3, that will be 0 also, and 4 bracket of what, s3, which is going to be s3 0 and 0. Now everything becomes, it means a2 1 2 it will be equals to 0. Now let's move on to the next one, which is going to be what, a13. Now my a13 will just what, is 0 1 1 and 0 0 1. Take note of this: x1, s2, s3, y1, y2, y3. That is all. Now back to the function. We have three. We have what? The first one is 2 bracket of x1 y1. It will be 0 minus bracket of 3 y s1 1 and y3 is 1. Okay, that one goes. Now 2, which will be 2, we have s2 is 0 and y2 is 0. I don't need to stress myself. One has given me 0. 5 y s2, that will be 0. I don't need to stress myself. 4 is y3, that will be 0. Now at this junction, my a12 will be a12, sorry, a12 hope I'm not making mistake. Is a12, not a1. If it is a12, sorry about that, I'm so sorry. This will be 1. I think what I compute is very wrong. Sorry about that, it's a mistake. I'm just to work on the second one. I'm so sorry. Sorry, please. Now I think 2 bracket of what, 1 1 1 1, it will be 0 minus 3 bracket of 1, what is it, 0, 3 is 0 here, plus 2 bracket of 2, we have 0 minus 5 bracket of 0 and 4 bracket of s3 is 0. Now it means a2, hope I'm not making mistake. Oh my God, the first one is correct. Okay, it's 0. I think I repeated myself. This is going to be 0. Sorry about that. Okay, the next one is a13. Okay, a13, which I've done that earlier. Let me redo it again. It will be 3. I think I've done that earlier. If you can get, that is what I just finished doing that time. I made mistake. In your a13 now, it will be what? 1 is 0 0 is 0 0 1. Please take to the what I just finished doing now. And minus 3 is going to be the answer there. Now you will do the same thing for a21. At the point of a21, you are talking about 0 1 0 and it will be what? a21, it will be 0 1 2 okay, 0, that is going to be this, and 1 is going to be what? 1 is 0 is 0. x1, s2, s3, y1, y2, y3. Now you are expected to have my a21 is supposed to get is 0. Please try it by yourself. Now my a22, at the point of a22 you are having is 0 1 is 0 is 0 1 is 0, x1, s2, s3, y1, y2, y3. Now by so doing this, my a22, when you do the function, you are expected to have 2. Now my marker is going, sorry, how the marker here is already out of the shape. Now a23. Now your a23, you are expected to, it means you are having is 0 1 is 0 and 0 0 1. Now when you do it, you are expected to have minus 5. This one will come up. Now And the last part, which is the last part of it, it will be A31. A31, when you do the same thing, you're on your A31, S1, S2, S3, Y1, Y2, Y3. Now on your A31, you are expected to have that be 0, 0, 1, and 1 is 0, 0. It means X1, Y1. I think is that when you do that, when you compute that, you are expected to have 4. This one will come 4. Now, the last part of it, I think I need me to rub this question. I need to rub it off now because of my space allocated is very small. Now, when you do your A32, you are expected to have A32. Just do it in form of 0, 0, 1, and 1 is 0. I mean, X1, S2, S3, Y1, Y2, Y3. Now, when you compute it, you are expected to have is 0. And the last part of it, which is going to be A33, which is going to be what? At this junction, you are having 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 1, X1, S2, S3, Y1, Y2, Y3. When you do that, you are expected to have a 0. Now, on your matrix that we are talking about, your matrix A will be equals to A11 is 2. It will be what? Is 0 and minus 3, and is 0, 2, minus 5, and 4 is 0, 0. That is the matrix you are expected to have by studying. Can you see it's very simple? That is what you just need to work on. That is all. That is all. I'll be ending this video here. Don't forget to share and subscribe. If you have any problem, reach out to us. Once again, thanks for watching.